Mistake to master squad. Heartbreak hits hard, but this large format changes everything. Post-breakup glow-up. Rebuild your life stronger than before. My worst breakup left me wrecked, but glow-up made me unbreakable. 90-day blueprint. Heal, rebuild, thrive. No ex-hate, just respect for lessons. If you're post-breakup, like, comment your low point. Phase 1. Week 1 to 2 emotional reset. Grieve smart. Protect your soul, no contact first. Block if needed for clarity. Feel pain, journal raw, cry it out. Talk bros, my low days in bed post-dump. Maturity move, lesson learned onward. Avoid drunk texts, respect her space, yours. Tested, no contact healed faster than begging. Phase 2. Self-improvement overhaul. Weeks 2 to 4. Physical and confidence rebuild. Body first. Gym 5 times week. Lift heavy, sweat pain out. Hygiene reset. Daily showers, grooming, fresh cologne. Style haul, new fits, barber cut. Body language, chest up, eye power. My glow, 10 lbs muscle, sharp look, mirrors. I'm back. Confidence soared, dates noticed. Phase 3. Mindset and emotional mastery. Weeks 4 to 6. Inner game strong. Reframe. Breakup freed me for better. Journal wins daily. Read models. Attraction via authenticity. Communication practice. Call friends deep. Rejection prep. Next no is growth. My shift. Therapy sessions unpacked patterns. Maturity leveled up. Phase 4. Social and dating re-entry. Weeks 6 to 8. Reconnect without desperation. Hobbies reignite. Gym class. Soccer. Reads. Socialize platonic first. Dating skills refresh. Approach casual. Love your vibe story. Text light, asks direct. Keep interest mutual. Test, post-glow bar approach. Effortless yes. Respect boundaries, no rebound rush. Phase 5. Sustain and thrive. Weeks 8 to 12 plus. Lock in the new you stack habits. Morning routine, weekly goals. Date multiple if ready. Abundance. My now, healthier relationship from glow lessons. Track, photos week 1 verse 12. Proof, real glow up stories. My 3 breakup rebuilds, raw timelines, 6 mo wreck, gained weight, isolated. 90 days, gym god, new style, first date win. Sudden dump, drunk dialed. No contact plus journal equal to mindset beast, girl pursued me. Toxic end, blamed her. Self-audit, boundaries fixed, now exclusive healthy bond. Glow-ups compound. Recap and final fire. Grieve smart, physical overhaul. Mindset mastery. Social re-entry, sustain. Self-improve confidence, hygiene style, body language. Mature emotions, respectful dating. You're stronger post-breakup. Start phase 1 today. CTA your glow plan. Comment, like, sub, share hope. Glow unstoppable. Peace.